We're now looking at how to filter data. This particular tool spreadsheet has been populated with labor and material, and you can see as we look down here, each one of these has material. NRY is material not received yet. If you want to see the full value, you can hit auto row height. Now you can see this is material not requested yet. This is material already received in. There may be actuals. NRY again if you want to hit the row height and so forth. PCOM, material not received in yet. The PO has been issued. OBE NA, I'm going to hit the auto row height. Or not applicable. This X is used for labor. Any of the labor is used for the X is used for any of the labor. So I don't need to expand all of those, but what I want to show you is filtering. I'm going to save this, hit the save button. Okay. And by the way, if you should happen to see a notice up here of macros, except the macros, you need to use macros for this. So some of these items here are materials. They could be hardware, software. I've only entered in part of the data. So the purpose here is to show filtering. I'm going to filter on subassembly 1. You can do multiple filters across here. You can do one, then the other. Do not use the prefixed Excel menu items. Use these preset filters. So I'm going to filter on deselect all. I want to see subassembly 1. Now it's filtered on subassembly 1. Here's software and hardware. Now let's say I only want to see the hardware on subassembly 1. I can refilter, dismiss all, and select hardware. And now we're only seeing the hardware for subassembly 1. And I'm going to scroll to the right. These values are the totals for only the information that's been selected. If you go further to the right on the 4 reports, it's going to tell you there's actuals in there. Somewhere there's an actual entered. Something's been filtered, and 3198 is the total for the filtered data. So I can also highlight this and look down here, 3198. You want to unfilter everything. You can select unfilter all rows, and let's say I want to filter on a PO number 7954. I hit the filter, deselect everything, select 7954, and now I'm showing all the materials in 7954. I can see that 2 of these items have not been requested. 1 item has been issued on a PO. Should this material have come in, I could select material received, and that'll also update any information up here. Of course, material received in and PCOM, whether it's commit or actual, it'll be totaled in. So right now the commit and actual is 17.9. If I change this one value to already received, it'll update this value here to 18.24. And you'll see this is like a mini dashboard.